Girl power, dude. She's got this. Squeeze it a little bit. Hey. What is up, guys? It's your boy Northside Noah back at it again with another vlog. And look at this, dude. We're out here foxed out. So a week ago, I bought my girl the 2024 or 2025 KLX 110, and a week goes by and she goes and buys me the 2024 or 2025 KLX 110. One upped me a little bit. She got me the more expensive one. Yeah, she's a little gangster. And then she went out and bought a bunch of gear, dude. Cool as shit. Looking official. She's ready to go rip pitters, you know what I'm talking about? In the pits with the pitters. Yeah, she loves this little bike so far. It's pretty cool. It's gonna be fun, but we're gonna unload and then it's her first time in the woods, so we're just gonna be chilling, having fun. These boots, dude. Boots are sick. Got the boots on the wrong foot. Alright guys, so this is the new bike. Sponsored by my girlfriend, dude. She's out here looking cool as shit. Out here, all her Fox gear. All the Fox gear looking cool. She got the Fast House gloves. Yeah, she's ready for some action. So we're gonna go in the woods, practice a little bit, and get some seat time in. Whenever you're ready, baby.
I don't know where I'm going.
Alright, follow me. You're good. You're doing great. You're doing great. Yep. So when you're gonna come and put your feet down, like, and you're going slow, you can use your front brake. Like if you're going that slow, you could tap that so it doesn't keep rolling. All right. Now just keep going. You're good. You're doing great. Walk it if you need to. You got this, baby, alright? You're killing it. You look so cool right now. Straight up. Like, watch me. You're good. Yeah. Dude, she's doing so good right now. I'm so proud of her. She's so cool. I love this, dude. This is so fun. She looks so cool. You're doing a great job.
So in the beginning, I was looking too close ahead.
Yeah.
You know how that video was.
Yep, just keep looking straight down.
Now I keep forward. Like,
Hell yeah. You want to see me do it, wheelie? Never mind. Let me let the sign not to. Oh, you just did one. It looked like it. You don't have to do it. You're good. Yeah. Bro, I've been waiting a long time for this. Literally just to be outside with my girlfriend riding dirt bikes. It's so cool. She's literally a natural too. She's so good. You okay?
Yeah, I wanted to try the brake.
You alright? Yeah, we can practice that right here for a minute if you want. I shut my bike off and just watch you practice. So just so like, here, I'll get on this side so you can see me. Watch my foot. It's still pressed down. You can ride with one foot. Keep that foot dragging. Like, watch me. Perfect. 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 Yeah, and you can always put this foot down, like, so you don't have to feel like you're balancing. You can have that foot ready to get down. But you're doing a great job with the brake. It's good. Perfect. Alright, that's good. That's really good. Yeah. Professional now.
I want to get it smoother, so.
You're doing really good. That's great.
We do get like more like places like I'm right.
Yeah. You look ready. Dude, you look so cool. I can't even. This is so gangster. Front brake. See? No, you did good. You slowed down with it initially when you started walking, but when you're walking like that and you're going slow, you can hit your brake. But if you're going fast like this, don't hit your front brake because you could potentially fall. Yeah. Yeah. You're doing good. You're doing really good. You're not doing anything wrong. Yeah, that was the perfect stop.
So I hit both like here and
yeah, yeah, yep. So it's, yeah. We'll go over like more about that later. We'll like talk about it, but yeah. Yeah. She's doing so good right now. Yeah! Woo! Yo, she went off a... Dude, killing it. It's okay. It's okay. So this is slippery. Yeah, so this is a back brake.
I just put it down.
No, it's okay. Yeah, it's in neutral right now. But listen, so hold your brake. Alright, you won't roll anywhere when you're holding it on a hill. So this, when you're going downhill on this is a back brake kind of hill.
Okay.
And it's gonna slide. And when you're kind of just hanging out, chilling, and going down the hill and stuff, it's gonna make you feel like your handlebars are moving.
I wasn't worried. I knew I was gonna slide on the sand.
Yeah, well, you did great. You did good. You're doing everything right. You're doing a great job. But yeah, do you want to go first or do you want me to go first? So once you get up here, you just kind of like stay consistent on the gas and you'll make it up the hill. It's nothing crazy.
Alright.
It's literally, it's just,
Been out on it?
no. I don't know. It might, but no, you'll be fine. So it's because we have such small tires, I think.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay. You got it. It gets a little better up here. This is just really sandy. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Good job, dude. You're killing it. So there's gonna be another one down here. It's gonna be kind of like that, but it's gonna go down, and it's gonna open up to like a straightaway of like dirt like this, and then it's the same thing. But you did a great job.
Yeah, I see how it like just kind of like.
It wants to go one way or the other.
Just kind of you.
Mhm.
Keep going with it.
Yep. Yep. You're doing a great
It
job.
wants to slide out, but it won't if you got like.
Yeah. No, you're doing really good. For somebody's first time on trails on a dirt bike and like second day riding their new dirt bike, you're doing great. You're doing a good job. A kid, I'd be like, we've been way back there, I'd still be teaching them. You're doing great. Good job, good job. Doing a good job. It's okay. Yeah, you can walk it. Just keep walking because this is hard. Yeah, keep walking it. You're doing great. It's okay, it's okay. We'll walk it, we'll walk it. It's because of the throttle. The back tire spins and the bike wants to do like a kind of drift.
Yeah.
And this is like riding on fluffy snow. I seen a deer down here one time. So cool. Bro, this bike, I'm so blessed right now. So just stay on the gas a little bit. It's gonna do the slippery thing. Alright, just walk it. Yeah, you got it. You're doing great. Doing amazing. Yeah! Woo! Yo. She's a natural, bro. She's going to the hill climbs. Yeah! Look at you, sunk your first dirt bike. That's a good job. That's a good... Oh, wait. Give me knuckles, bro. You're awesome. Here, I got it. Okay. You were doing so good.
I'm like, I feel it. Let's go.
You want to try going the rest of the way? Yeah. Yeah, just riding them in general. Yeah, like if you're cruising on a Harley and you're just cruising on a dirt bike, it's way harder. But dude, look how far you got up. And you did like a gangster thing. It's not like you crashed or anything. You dug a hole. That's so cool. Dude, I got it on video. I'm like, yeah! And it's like, I'm like, she dug her first hole. Oh, I love you. I love this.
I didn't drop it. It was just my...
No, you didn't drop it at all. You're like, oh shit. You're just spraying me. I'm like, this is so cool. Look at you sprayed the shit out of me. That's cool. I love you. This is fun, right? It gets better down here. You're doing so good, bro. I'm so proud of you. Are you having fun, like, for real? Is it more like right now you're kind of just like too focused?
Learning,
Yeah.
Like focus, like let me get a good feeling of the training. So.
Do you feel? Let me ask you. Do you feel accomplished coming up that hill? Cause like even though you didn't make it to the top, it was your first time attempting a hill. Second time, you made up the first one. The first one I think was a little bigger. Or actually no, this one's steeper. Yeah, the other one was longer. But you literally were just walking it like this, dude. And you start ripping it. You're doing drifts. Yeah, you're doing drifts the whole way up.
I'm like, should I put my feet down? I have them here because I need to.
You're doing drifts the whole way up, and then you put your feet up, and you're drifting with your feet up. I'm like, yeah, but she's a natural.
Well, I had to get a feel of it, like down here, like so my feet, just in case I need boots.
Yeah, this is so cool. One of the best days ever. This was what I would do every day on my lunch break when I said I was dirt biking, by the way. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm just going for it.
Me too. I told you it was gonna be hot.
And I'm going in all the gear too.
I wish I had a different helmet on.
Yeah, get more like, I like how I can see a lot more in this.
Yeah.
Get a lot more view. And it's nice having a helmet that fits the way.
We got twin bikes, dude. Dude, yo, you jumped off Root Ledge. I was like, oh my god, I knew.
Like, oh,
I forgot about it.
and then I'm like, I don't consider that a jump. I just.
It was a jump. It was like a 1.5 foot drop. You had like a 1.5 foot of air, and you came right down. You're like, oh shit. Yeah. So I hit that jump. I do wheelies off of it, and it sends me. And I totally forgot about it, and I saw it, but I couldn't say anything because you're already right there. And you were just like, you handled it. I was like, yeah.
I watch all of these.
Yeah. I noticed that. It's a good job. You're doing a great job.
Yeah. I know if they're too crazy, I'm not gonna go over them. But if they're like,
yeah,
then I will. But you feel like I wasn't sticking out. Like,
yeah. Hell yeah. You're cool. I'm so blessed to have this girl in my life, bro. We're out here on 110s having the most fun ever. Like, this is so sick. Oh, I almost fell. Stay to the right. Oh, yeah. You're good, you're good. Oh shit. Sorry. What kind of animal prints are these, dude? A big dog or like a wolf? A bear? Yeah! Her first little mud trial. Yeah. Yeah, good job, good job. Hell yeah. This is our first time ever like riding dirt bikes, so this is like good shit, guys. Hey, we're gonna go left up here. You're doing a really great job. Look how far we got already. That's good. You're doing so good. I'm so proud of you. You look so cool too. Alright, let's get this thing in second gear. Let's try a second gear wheelie. I haven't done enough wheelies for you guys, but we got the 110, dude. This is gonna be a little wheelie machine for me. See me on the street rides now. Oh shit. Yeah. It's alright. I was falling over. I felt the bike kind of got away from me there. So we go down these trails. These are where all the cool shit happens.
We're going down there.
To the left. What? It's in gear. It won't start in gear.
Okay.
It's a safety thing.
Oh, okay. Just because I kill switched it.
You're like, oh, it's broken, dude.
No, I was like,
You're like, hey.
something about this.
Like, can you fix it right now? She's so cool, dude. I love my girlfriend so much. A wheelie over the wood. Alright, hold on. Stay to the right. And you can feather your front brake. Alright, you squeeze it a little bit. Hey, it's okay. You okay? Alright, hold on. It's okay. Hit the kill switch. That's okay. That's fine. You didn't even fall. You fell over. Yeah, it's okay. You gotta kick it in neutral. Down one. Yep. Brakes. Not hard. Yeah, you did good. You did good. I mean, you look like you were running track. You did good. I think this is the hardest hill, I think. But hey, look at this. Is like the same thing you've been doing. Just you rock that back brake the whole time. The only reason I said use your front brake is because neither of your feet were on the pegs. So I was trying to give you, so you didn't panic. I was just trying to put that thought in your head, like, oh yeah, I can use my front brake, in case you just did what you were doing and couldn't stop. But yeah, you're good. Just keep doing what you're doing. Okay. It's a little flooded from falling over. You ready? So what happens is like when it's sideways, the gas goes to the top of the motor. So it just needs a second. It's a little flooded. You're all set. You can shut it off and roll if you want. You do whatever you want, okay? It's just, when your bike does that, don't ever think it's broken or something crazy. That's a really...
Like, if it goes down, to give it some time.
Yep, yeah. That or like...
If they fall down, they want a little bit of time before they go with them, I think.
Yeah. Sometimes it just needs a little extra gas though, too. Oh. Dude. I love it. Yeah, you did a good job. You're doing a good job. And you also have to hit them at the same time too. So like you're hitting the button and then you let go. Yeah, so that's why I was like, all right, hold on. That's the only reason I came over. You're doing great though. You're doing a really good job, right? I'm gonna...
I gotta practice downhill because I need to wait to see, you know, this
yeah.
has to go.
Yeah, this is your first time. Don't beat yourself up, baby. It's all part of the game.
What I need to like work on. Like,
Yeah.
I noticed and this is not like downhill something.
Yeah. Well, you've never been downhill before. This is your first time, and you went down 2 hills, you hill climbed, and you just slipped a little bit. It happens. It's all part of the game. If you just gotta ride the back brake. So like, you get out of the habit, putting both your feet down. You wanna get in the habit of like, you can go down a hill like this, so you can hit your brake, you know? Instead of this, and you can't hit any brake, you do. I gotta move the tree. All right, tree number 1 out of the way. This is that big hill we'd climb up.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't it look way bigger?
Yeah.
It's a little intimidating. All right. You want me to go first, or do you want to go? You can go, you're good. You got this. Yep, just like that. You're doing great. No, you're good. I'm just a hype man. You're good, you're good. You're doing great. Yep. 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 Take it slow. You're doing good. Alright, so go that way.
Yeah. I didn't want to blast through it until I found my opening.
Yeah. Somebody went through it with a Jeep. You can go. Yeah, you're yeah, you're so good. For her first time, this is amazing, dude. This is so cool. I'm having the most fun, bro. I can't even, like, I'm a little focused on just like helping her figure this out, so. Woohoo! So this is, you can open it up a little bit right here. There's like a little berm. You know how you like taking corners? You and I, we can drive back and forth up this like 3 or 4 times, and there's a little corner you can practice taking. Like if you follow me, we'll go slow, I'll show you. That's the little corner. You can go up this way. You can walk it. Let's see how she gets up these ruts. Dude, what a pro. I can't even like make this shit up. And right here, this is my spot. Usually the sun's hitting right here. The sun usually hits right here, and it's really beautiful.
The water looks damn clear.
Yeah, there's a beach right there. We can make our own. There's literally like sand and stuff. It's like a forgotten beach.
Yeah, no, that's nice water.
You having fun? You did a great job, but I can't even make this shit up. She's all bakey now. Yeah, what a gangster, dude. I want to give her some space because I don't want her to feel uncomfortable, but I want to get videos of her too.
I just want to test it, make sure my footwork is good.
Yeah, you're good. There's a lot of there's pretty thick woods. I really hope a bear doesn't try to pop out. I'll have to ghost ride a 110 into him. Yo, she's handling this so good right now. Please don't go in the mud. I'm gonna feel so bad. Yeah, good job. She's got this. Girl power, dude. She's got this. Smart girl. I kind of want to blast right through it. I wonder if I can. Oh, yeah. That was gross. 2 for 2. It's okay. Just.
I think that's the right way to fall. I'm not like.
No, you're doing it great. It's a tough spot. This is. Somebody went through with a Jeep, it all up. We'll have to come here with like a shovel and patting it down. Like, this is crazy. I went right through the mud. Yeah, I'll get you a little higher. Alright, right there should be safe for you. It's in gear. Yeah, that. I was going to, but never mind. Well, there'd be a bear up there waiting for me. That's what. Yeah, that was awesome. Oh, are you okay?
I'm good.
Here, kill switch it. Good job. It's okay, dude. You're so hyped. That's what happened. You alright?
I got into this good.
Dude, killing it, bro. I just got like. You.
I just rolled that whole log. I'm like, oh.
I thought you were mad that you hit your head off the branch. You're like, I rolled the log. I was like, yo, that's. Dude, oh, hell yeah. I'm sorry. You probably should have came up this way.
I know, but over here because I didn't, usually.
Look at you do more stuff like this though, and you'll be able to like do shit other people can't.
I know.
So, and you're not scared. You're like embracing the fall. You love it. And you're all set. My advice, all right, hear me out, is I'd get a little bit of speed and stay on this high shoulder and try to ride all the way up it in that little right hand path, because that's going to kind of be a little tough. Just kind of like You know, you don't need the blip to throttle. You're doing great. You can hang out and just kind of go right around this. You 100% can do it. You got this. You've been doing it. You got it, baby. Yeah. Woo! Good job. To the right. You're. Well, hey, you can go to the left if it's easier. Go left. It's fine. Yeah, just go left though. Go left and then stay to the left. Yeah. Good job. You got it. Hell yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, hold on.
Sorry, I stopped. I just needed a breather.
No, you're good, dude. You did a good job. A tree fell. So let me scope this out real quick. Alright, so we'll have to go down that again. We'll have to go back down that. So we'd go out right there, but there's two big trees that fell down. You're doing so good though. Oh, a little whiskey throttle, it's okay. That's like you're treating the handlebars like BMX bike handlebars. You know, it happens. I do it all the time. It happened to me like an hour ago. I can't wait until you're just chilling and you're like, oh, I gotta turn around. You don't need any gas. You got it. Just cover the back brake. Yep. Or whatever's working for you. Yeah, you can even walk it up. Yeah, there you go, dude. You're killing it. I think you just mastered the back brake right there. That's how you do it. That was awesome. Good job. The sun's setting over there. Yeah. Here, give it some gas. Alright, hold on. Hey. That's okay. I think it's funny. Nope. Dude, these things rip. I can't believe I made it through that deep ass mud. Dude, I love this little 110, guys. I think she needs to start getting speed now. Dude, she got it. I have to walk my bike all the way up. It's because she's so light. Good job. Doing a really good job. You did better than me. Oh shit. Bro, I wish I had a cameraman like me. So do you have anything to say to the female viewers or anybody starting out riding? Like, don't be scared, you know, what's up?
Go for it.
Go for it. Just go for it, she says. What do you think about a 110? You think it's a good beginner bike?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's alright, I made it. I know.
Yep. You think you got that in you? Good job. Oh, the helmet. You're doing good. Keep doing your thing, baby. I love my girlfriend, dude. My girlfriend's so cool.
We both did it. Oh, you were trying to wheelie. I just got
My girlfriend's so cool, dude. Anyways, what I was saying was my girlfriend's cooler than yours. Oh. She's second gear ripping again. Don't go too fast. You're scaring me now. It's like my kid. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. You know, I'll probably do a couple wheelies down here for entertainment purposes, but that was fun as fuck.